Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio. Today's video is a little different. No wild animal encounters, no exploring hidden trails. Just me speaking directly to you from the heart. As we stand at the end of this year, I just had to take a moment to say thank you. Seriously, thank you for making this the most incredible year for our wild Ohio. As 2025 comes to a close, I'm just filled with so much gratitude. Looking back, this has officially been the most successful and impactful year our wild Ohio has ever had. And that is entirely thanks to this platform and to you, the subscribers, every single one of you. It doesn't matter if you've been with the channel since the very beginning, watching those early slightly shaky videos, or if you just found us last week and hit that subscribe button. Your support is the fuel that drives this whole mission. YouTube has given us this incredible space to connect, to learn about the natural world together, and to build a community that truly values truth, nature, and resilience. I never imagined it would grow into what it is today. I want to give a massive, heartfelt thank you to every single person who took the time to watch and engage with our videos this year. Every view, every like, it all adds up, and it tells me that what we're doing here matters to you. And the comments, you guys are amazing. Thank you for sharing your own insights, your own stories, and your own experiences with nature in the comments section. You've helped this community grow from just a channel into a real thriving family of nature lovers. I've read every single comment some multiple times, and your perspectives often teach me new things and give me new ideas. Most of all, I want to thank you for supporting the vision of this channel. The idea that we can explore the wild, uncover its secrets, and bring the beauty of nature to everyone, no matter where they are. You believed in that vision with me, and together, we've made it a reality. You are the reason this year was a landmark year for the channel. You're the ones who made it happen. I deeply, deeply value the authentic connections we've built here. In a world that can sometimes feel disconnected, having this space where we can all come together around a shared passion is something I cherish more than I can say. I'm truly honored that you've chosen to spend part of your year with me, right here on our wild Ohio. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, filled with peace, joy, and the warmth of being surrounded by those you love. I'm wishing every single one of you a healthy, prosperous, and happy new year. May it be filled with new adventures, new discoveries, and plenty of time spent in the great outdoors. Thank you again for an absolutely incredible 2025. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I can't wait to see what adventures await us. I'll see you all in 2026.